Hello guys, this is Maho Tiger 2 and Suit, and today I'm working on a generator engine again. This one's a little different, same brand, still a Briggs & Stratton, but it does not have a generator part. It's kind of only an engine. And this one I kind of know how stuff works on it, because I have one of the same brand, except all they're in my basement here that I brought down. I had a video of it. I don't think I uploaded it though. And also, my friend has one like this, but it's newer, so yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. I've already started it, but it had some issues. So I'm gonna go again, and yeah, let's see how it goes. And you'll be hearing this through my headphones, so it'll be really loud. I would be no matter what, but it's probably gonna be even louder. Alright, warning, this could be very loud. I don't know how it's gonna go. Yeah, it kind of moves on its own, but not as much as the engine I got in my garage. That moves. That could be on cement. Could be on it. It would be running. I'd rev it up, and it would literally move. Slowly, but still would. Well, that ain't good. Hmm. You know, that's a problem, because it was just running fine. So I messed with the limiter here. And I was going good in the beginning, too, which means I really don't know what that means. Something's wrong with it. But it's doing a lot better than it was yesterday when I was working on it. Yesterday, it wouldn't even go. It would just be do 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 do, and it would be very slow. And there's also a small problem with the screw over here that kind of leaks oil slowly, but it still does. There's also something where there's a hole back here with smoke coming out of it. It's not hot really, but it's yeah. Really, I don't think it's supposed to be doing that. I don't know. Home is might supposed to be there. I don't know. That's a small problem. So yeah, let's tighten. I'm gonna tighten the spark plug a bit more. And yes, I do know what I'm doing. So we're good on that. Gaskets on this probably aren't the best, but yeah. It's life sometimes. There's also this thing on here which I'm actually wondering what it does, because the limiter's down on the carburetor, down where my hand is kinda, but there's also this thing down here if you can see it, and it's also leaking gas from this screw, which probably might have flooded the engine, or it might be why it's leaking, so I'm gonna get that a little smaller. Then I'm going to put this under here. Crap, it's heavy. Because it kind of moves itself, and it's not something I want. I don't want it moving. So we're gonna start it now again. And maybe it'll work. You know, it's good this time. So yeah, let's see. There we go. Well, crap. Yeah, it's probably not good. Probably should give it a break, but I don't know. I'm gonna wrap this around here. But I don't know what's the problem. I don't know if something's dirty, so I'm gonna go get a fuel pan, and I'm going to take apart the carburetor a little bit, take the fuel dish off, and see if it's flooding it. I don't think I have one up here. The other one I actually got working. The one I was working on before. The fuel dish seal came. So did a new cap we got. Don't know why, but it's a good thing we did get a new cap because on a different, or the one I'm working on now up there, the cap that what it had first was really crappy. So I took the old one from the other generator I have and put it on that. Because yeah, the other one was pretty bad condition, and it really was not something I'd want to use here. I'm gonna go grab. I have everything I need here. I think, yeah. I still don't need anything else. So let's go do that. Cool thing is I can move my stand around. So, right here, thing I'm touching, that's the fuel dish. It is a little hard to see, maybe, but I need to take that off and see if it's getting flooded. I have something to put the gasoline in. I'm gonna have to rub it out with a rag because my brother used this last and he got something in it. Grease, maybe, I don't know. He got something in it though. So, yeah. Needs to be cleaned out. But alright. Take this off. There. Well, that might be a little hard to get under, so crap. Okay, so it goes right from the tank down to the fuel dish right away. I heard that. There we go. Oh, there's something coming out of that, and something coming out of it, and it's sure as heck does not look like gasoline. So I'm gonna grab a funnel and yeah, because I don't want that to spill out, and maybe a funnel fit under it. I know I have. There's one in here. I used it. Oh, here they are. Probably used for oil, but I kind of don't care. So, yeah, there it goes. Fuel spilling into it. Probably get the screwdriver out of there too. Yeah, so, next step is to get this off without fucking. Yeah, there. Okay. There we go. Oops, shit. Well, crap. But this thing severely needs to be cleaned out. It is full of crap. I got mud and stuff in it. See? Maybe you can't. I'm just clean it out. This, that gun's from years of crap. It's So I'm gonna go grab something and put it out. I'll be back. So, I mean, the thing that's pretty got a lot of crap in it, and it's not good. That's pipe cleaner. What am I looking for? Brake cleaner. I'm looking for something else. Can't find what I'm looking for. Don't know where I might have put that at. I don't know. So yeah, well, I'm not using it because I don't know where it is. So I'm just gonna find a different thing to use the planner now. All right. What it really needs is clean because there's like rust in it too, the very bottom. Which that really is not good. Okay. Turn that off. Good. Off. There's a screen in here too. I'm probably gonna have to. I might have to. I'm not sure if I'll have to clean that off or not. No, that actually looks pretty good. Screen doesn't look so bad, but the dish on the other hand looks like crap. Yeah. We'll put that on. Yeah, put it back on. And I'm gonna try to start it again. So yeah. Just stick around. It's gonna come on somewhere. There we go. Come on. Okay. Oh, as low as I can go with it. Wow. Oh, see? Oh, it's kind of that one. Okay. Yeah. First one. Okay. That's good. Just gotta finish cleaning it. Okay. Just be a little there. We go. Good. It's not leaking. Close it off for a minute. And yeah, now. In case it does leak, I'm gonna set that here. Like that. And I'm gonna let fuel back into it. Shouldn't leak. No, it doesn't. Okay. So it's not leaking, so that means it's going through to the engine, so I'm gonna close this off for now. Close it off a little bit. I don't know why, but okay. There. Alright, then I'm gonna try to start it, and let's see how that goes. This thing is really seeing some crap, it looks like. It's really dirty. And this time, you guys are gonna be real close to it. I'm just gonna move here because it's a phone, camera, right next to where I'm gonna be to start it. So I'm gonna have to move it actually right here. You're gonna see the nice black puffs of smoke come out of the exhaust. So yeah, let's go. Alright, first try, and really not successful. Well, it seems to be fine. Don't think it's getting flooded. That. Check on a little. Alright. Now, I want to close all the way. So, alright. Almost. It's close. Okay. Alright, so this is attempt number 3 after I've cleaned the fuel dish. So, yeah. Alright. You guys watch it. This one's good. The camera waving. Like it'll show wave. I saw it so weird. You have to go in like really fast and how it's going slow on camera. But the opposite is slow. So it's going fast. I don't know why. I have stuff in the dog. Good. 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 Alright, next I'm gonna bring out an engine. The old engine. Shouldn't take long. I'll be out soon. I know exactly how I'm getting this out there. I'm gonna put some cardboard under it and I'm gonna slide it. Okay. There. Okay, and the other side. You don't see this, but I am, because I'm right there. My camera's still pointed at that other thing, so you're not gonna see what I'm doing here. But yeah. No, maybe this won't work the way I thought. Good. This thing's a pain in the butt to get out, but cardboard kind of helps. Oh, a plywood thing. I don't know. All I gotta do is get on this plywood. Man, I'll get it from there. Oh boy, that actually works good. Yeah. Piece of plywood. This is all I can. Okay, this piece is smaller. That might help. Not as thick. It's a little less thick, but that helps. I'm gonna get this other one out because I don't want this thing too close to the garage. Okay. Then once I get it off the boards, I can actually start it. This one is a pain in the butt to start, too. Okay. I'm gonna bring that gray one in to the garage. I'm gonna take you to a yellow one. Okay. Ready for the grand unveiling, and you just saw part of it. This thing here. Really nice. It's big. It's actually an engine, too. It's, I think 12 to 14 horsepower. So it's nice. And, harder to start, but I know for a fact I can start it because I've already done it. Bring this gray one. Garage quick. And, yeah. Gray one's in. Okay. Bring some stuff I need, or will possibly need over there. Shouldn't have to check for spark because I got it going yesterday. And yeah, fuel, funnel and pan over here. Should have gas in it. Does okay. Alright, let's try. This one's harder to start. A lot harder. Took some out of the way, so we're good there. I'm gonna bring this over to where you'd see it start here. Right here. This is where everything happens. And you'll see how I started. And if you do start it without, it's not attached to something, like a ground or something, I'd say get it to some wood so you can move it around. And once you do, you step somewhere, and then use both hands because it's gonna be your easiest way. Strokes in. Good. Make sure fuel is getting in. It is. I now turn that off. Probably should have. Good. Right, good. And some puffs, so it's good. Man, it's pain in the butt to start. Big pain in the butt. Joke up close a bit. Alright. Okay, I don't have spark, so yeah. Alright. is really hurting my hands, and I don't know why it's so left it on the plywood, but I did. Alright. Put my gloves on and hope to maybe not break my fingers. It's like 40 degrees right now, maybe, just maybe in the 50s, but probably no more than 55 degrees, so it's still pretty cold. Okay. Okay. Man. Oh man, that one was a bad pull. It was bad on my end. I didn't go through, I kind of stopped. It's big and pain in the start. I'm gonna maybe pull the choke out a little bit there. Halfway. Might take this thing off because it is a kind of annoying, and I'm pretty sure at least helped last time. So yeah. There we go. That. Okay. Let's go. Back there. Alright. Oh, crap. My fingers are a bit cold, and it kind of hurts when I squish them like how it was. Okay. That was not a promising pull or sound. It was hard. I'm gonna put some anger force next time. I keep squishing my finger when I pull. Right about there. Even my finger squished in there by the pull cord when I'm pulling. So when I pull away, I am. I'm gonna do my eye. Pull that choke out a bit. Cause yeah, this one's all. It's not the actual choke for it. This is something my dad put on because the other one doesn't seem to be there. So yeah. Okay. This one's actually really hard to start, so yeah. Might not get it started today. We're gonna find out, and I could probably leave it on or out here during the last hour and a half or so I have of school, because it's only an hour and a half, then I'm gonna come back out here and film again. So yeah. Go ahead. I'll use a belt system for it, but the key for what I was going to use, the other grade generator, that one I don't know where the one I don't know where the pulley is, and two I don't know what the key for it is. This one's also missing the key for the pulley. Otherwise it would work. Alright. Alright. So I'm gonna give this one a little bit. And I'm gonna check some stuff. I'm gonna check the oil too, because I don't know if it's good or not. Should be. I just filled it up yesterday, and it's same amount, so it should be fine. Yeah, I don't know what else is a problem. Yeah, and then open it. Yeah. I'm gonna keep that up, and we're gonna see how it goes. Throttle up. Get it going, and I'm gonna slow it down once it starts, because it might help. And hopefully it does. This one just started to start. So we're gonna see how that goes. If I had someone here to help, that'd be amazing. I'm gonna try coming from the other side. If it works, oh, I gotta retie this first. Okay. Choke. Okay, I'm gonna try pulling it from here. Ooh, that actually sounded good. I really good. Heard that small squeal and a puff. That one was good. Definitely good. I'm gonna have to end this soon because my phone's getting less than 10% battery, but hopefully I can get it going first. That'd be amazing. Well, it sounded good. Okay, I'm going normal again. This one you really have to have a hard pull. Yeah, see, that's starting to sound actually good. Maybe it'll start a deeper puff. Yeah, so if it goes. That one didn't sound as promising, but we're gonna find out. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know. Well, seems to be going down. Okay. I'm gonna try a couple more times, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna put more fuel in it, and then if that still doesn't work, I'm gonna give up for till school's over. I'm gonna come back out. Cause yeah. Alright. Add a bit more fuel in. See how that goes. Hopefully it works. I need to put a ton in, but a little bit should maybe give it the boost it needs. Good. Good. Okay, I'm gonna go put this back. Make maybe this thing will start, and I'll be happier. Okay. Love. Okay. One start. Okay. It's a tad bit promising. Keep going. There's something there. It might be some road cleaner or whatever. Walking my dog and I saw it earlier, so I guess that's what that noise is. Alright. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to give up on that. It's not starting. And, I don't got any ideas. I tried a couple more times. It doesn't start, and it doesn't start. I'll worry about it later. And, yeah, well, maybe this could be a problem. I don't know. My pliers. The green wire piece. Like, not actual wire, but the green protector piece. Where I don't think it would hinder anything, but I don't know, so I'm taking it out. It is. Okay. Now, let's try it. That was bad pull, I think, so, yeah. I don't know, it's not starting though, it's not a good thing, and I'm just ranting now, I keep repeating everything I say. I'm probably going insane. Okay. Oh, there we go. Almost. Ooh, almost. Let's try that again. It's going now. That's good. It almost ran. Okay. Ready? Got it. See? It's like rules. Boy, got me. Good keep it quiet. Always be careful and don't touch the spark plug because you will get shocked. And I just did, and I probably should have lost out. That's my fault. Yeah, I need to find a way to keep it in one place. Okay. That rub's nice. I like that. Like, you can see it there. I don't know why. It's just the quality time. But this is a long video. But I got this thing running. I'm happy. I'm going to do a little bit of moving on it. Let's get on here. Move. Good, I like it. And it works, too. Told you. Almost gave up though. Alright, I'm going to get this thing back down now.